In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Synthesia video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your project in Synthesia to a clean, downloadable MP4 on your computer without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Synthesia. In the results, choose the official site to ensure you're in the right place. Once the homepage loads, click Login and sign in with your usual method. After you're in, look to the left-hand menu and navigate to the Videos tab. This is your main hub for projects. From here, open the project you want to export so you're inside the editor and ready to render the final version. In the editor, find the blue Generate button in the top right corner and click it. This opens the export dialog where you'll confirm a few details before processing begins. Give your video a clear name and, if it helps your workflow, add a short description. This is especially useful for version control and team collaboration, making it easy to distinguish between drafts and finals later. Next, decide how you want to handle captions. You can toggle burned-in captions on if you want the subtitles permanently visible on the video. This is great for accessibility, sound-off viewing on social feeds, or compliance needs. If you prefer a clean video without on-screen text, simply leave this option off. Remember, burned-in captions cannot be removed from the exported file, so choose what best suits your distribution plan. Click Generate again to start processing. Synthesia will now render the high-quality AI animations and audio. Processing typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the video length and complexity. You can keep working in your browser if you need to, but avoid closing your session until the render is underway to ensure a smooth start. When the render completes, head back to your videos library on the main dashboard. Locate your freshly generated video and click its thumbnail to open the video page. Below the video player, click the Download button. From the download options, select Video to save the file as a full HD 1080p MP4 directly to your computer. Choose a familiar folder so you can find it easily later. That's it. Your Synthesia project is now exported as a standard MP4, ready for editing, sharing, or upload to your platform of choice. If a download prompt doesn't appear, quickly check your browser's pop-up settings or try again with a stable connection. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.